Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Aquilaire Sources. Today, we're tackling a question that many students and graduates have: can you pay student loans with a credit card? It's a topic that involves careful financial planning and understanding various options. Let's dive right in. First things first, can you pay student loans with a credit card? The answer is yes, you can pay your student loans with a credit card. However, it's essential to understand the process and implications before deciding on this method of payment. What are your credit card payment options for student loans? When it comes to paying student loans with a credit card, you have a few options. You can set up direct payments with your loan servicer, use third-party services specifically designed for this purpose, or utilize balance transfer checks provided by your credit card company. Now we're delving into the world of paying your student loans with credit cards, specifically exploring some popular options and why this might not always be the best choice. Let's get started. First up, the Bank of America Premium Rewards Credit Card. This card offers excellent rewards and can be a smart choice for paying off student loans, especially if you're looking for a balance transfer option with competitive rates. Next, we have the Chase Freedom Unlimited Card. Known for its cashback rewards, this card can help you earn while paying off your loans. It's versatile and can be a practical solution for managing your finances. For those with business-related student loans, the Blue Business Plus credit card from American Express is tailored for everyday business expenses. Its reward structure makes it ideal for entrepreneurs managing their student debt. Travel enthusiasts might find the Capital One Venture Rewards credit card appealing. With miles that can be redeemed for travel expenses, it's a great fit for those looking to offset their student loan costs while planning their next adventure. Lastly, the Citi Double Cash Card stands out for its simplicity. It offers cashback on all purchases, providing you with flexibility in using the rewards to pay off various expenses, including student loans. Now, let's address why paying off student loans with credit cards might not always be the best choice. High interest rates on credit cards can quickly accumulate, leading to more debt. Additionally, credit cards often have fees and penalties, making it essential to carefully consider the overall cost before making a decision. Do you know about alternatives to using a credit card for student loans instead of using credit cards? Consider exploring alternatives like student loan refinancing, income-driven repayment plans, or deferment/forbearance options. These alternatives offer more structured and manageable ways to handle student loan payments without the potential pitfalls associated with credit card debt. Lastly, there are risks associated with paying student loans with a credit card, including potential damage to your credit score and financial instability if not managed responsibly. There you have it, folks, a comprehensive look into paying student loans with a credit card. It's a decision that demands careful consideration and understanding of your financial situation. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe for more insightful discussions on financial matters. Remember, informed decisions pave the way to financial success. Until next time, take care and make wise financial choices.